Brand C2 Cool and Clean, produced by Universal Robina Corporation. Market status. Launched in 2004, it is the leading ready-to-drink, ready-to-use drink tea brand in the Philippines and has become household name as a healthier alternative to carbonated soft drinks. Ready to drink, ready to use drink, non-carbonated green tea. Naturally brewed from 100% fresh Camellia sinensis green tea and leaves and bottled on the same day for freshness. Signature PET bottles ranging from solo 230 ml and 355 ml to family size, litro, 1 liter and 1.5 liter bottles includes the classic green tea, apple, lemon, and peach. A sugar-free option position itself as cool and clean, focusing on health and wellness and refreshment. Next page. It is the price competitively against soft drinks to capture the mass market. Is generally cheaper than premium imported tea brands like Lipton or Relief, making healthy hydration accessible to everyday Filipinos. High visibility advertising across TV, radio, and digital platforms. Use Facebook campaigns to increase purchase talent and brand familiarity. Presence in school events, marathon, and parks to reinforce the active healthy lifestyle. Bundling deals, Cherita Buy 2 promos are common in retail outlets. Intensive distribution ensures the product is available nationwide. Sari-sari stores and wet markets, supermarkets, SM, Robinson, convenience stores, 7-Eleven, mini-stop, Uncle John's, and drugstore. Available on e-commerce platforms like Shopee and Lazada. Thank you guys.